In case you have a flat, it's a very useful thing to know how you can take down the front wheel, and I'm gonna show you right now how easy it is or how difficult it is according to your skills. Let's check it out. We have an Africa Twin with a 21 front inch wheel, and we're gonna take down the wheel. The first step, we're gonna take out this rubber from the left side. You take down then the brake calipers. Then we have here 2 bolts on each side, and you only get them loose, and that's it. Of course, when you're on the road, you can do it with a spanner. We're gonna use the faster way now. Now you push the axle for a bit. And now we're moving to the brake calipers.
Beta, la beta tu cerco di gesso, completamente tanto. Questo per dai.
And now gently push the axle on this side. And you easily take it out. And as soon as you take it out, the wheel goes off quite easy, and you can start making the flat in case you have it. And now we put back the wheel. We put the axle from the left to the right side. Yeah. And here you need to adjust it according to the position. No more than this. Will be in line with the arm. First you tied it up, but not too hard, just get it close. Now we get close with these ones, the small ones from the top. After we did this, we tied up the axle, 65 Newton meters. It's quite a lot. And after that we go back to the small ones on top.
$1000 altfel nu trec. Și ăsta au întrebat, nu știu eu dacă vă dau $1000 să trec.
Nu știi.
Dar am zis, nu știi. Fază reală. Dar mai de acum, 20 de ani.
Ok. Aici e bine. Nu bucăt.
And now we have the final step, the brake calipers. For the brake calipers, we have 45 Newton meters, the bolts for the brake calipers. We apply some Loctite to the bolts before mounting them.
Cine mă, ăla portocaliu din avatar?
45 Newton meters. Yes, sir.
Când ești cu musa, merg ca ăla cu balaurul portocaliu. Că câștig ești.
It seems like quite an easy job. So hopefully, if you're making a flat, you're making on the front wheel, it's much easier to take it down. And actually this is it, and the final touch is this rubber cap to prevent the dust and the mud coming in. And this is the job, nicely done. You can clean them if you have time and you're doing this procedure at home. Thanks for watching, see you next time.